More than 10 years ago, while experiencing the first signs of aging in relation to my skin, I would have never thought my age could also affect the structure and condition of my hair. When comparing the condition of my hair today with the condition of my hair years ago, I am experiencing the following. My hair has become coarser, more brittle and frizzier. Whereas in the past I had to put product in to tame it down, today I use product to maintain the volume and the hairstyle longer. My gray hair percentage is only increasing, and I feel my hair has become less manageable and more fragile than ever before. It also tends to lose elasticity and shine. It's not a pretty story, I know, and I'm sure you can recognize my story with some of your clients, or you might be even experiencing it yourself. Luckily, today we live in a world where science and innovations constantly evolve. At Joico, we can convert the signs of aging to the hair with color brands that infuse the hair next to color with youth-enhancing ingredients, giving us an instant experience of rejuvenated and more manageable hair. When using LumiShine YouthLock Permanent Cream Color, after just one color service in the salon, you will experience that the hair regained bounce and the LumiShine signature shine. The hair is more resilient, smooth and soft. The resistant gray hair has the most gleaming and gorgeous coverage. The hair holds on to color longer and the shine is better than ever before. YouthLock is formulated with the bond-building Argiplex technology of LumiShine and a blend of signature ingredients like collagen, buriti oil and additional arginine. These ingredients help the hair feel rejuvenated, stronger and healthier. The selection of shades is most appealing to the aging target group in the salon. And because of the successful response, the line is constantly expanding with new, attractive shades. All YouthLock shades contain a higher dye load for more opaque color results. And it is an easy-to-use color line since all shades are pre-blended. The mixing ratio is 1:1, meaning for one part of color, you use equal parts of developer. As a developer, you use only 20 volume or 6% LumiShine developer for perfect gray coverage. Processing time is 45 minutes to obtain the ultimate color deposit and coverage. When using YouthLock on hair with less than 50% gray, you will experience darker results because of the higher dye load. This can easily go up to colors coming out one level darker. Ideally, you use one level lighter on hair with less than 50% gray to get the perfect on-tone results. For pre- and post-color tips and instructions with LumiShine, check our Joicolor pre- and post-color care tutorial. To make sure clients get the ultimate experience with YouthLock, it is important to use it on the right clients. With YouthLock, you offer an exceptional color service to the aging clientele in your salon. Imagine you can offer a color service in the salon that will help to take away all the negative effects of aging to the hair, which we discussed during the start of the video. Imagine you can send your clients out with hair that looks and feels like in their early days. Besides locking in hair's youth, you bring back the instant experience of having smoother, stronger, bouncy and more manageable hair. This, combined with beautiful, shiny, long-lasting color. Imagine the smile of your clients when leaving the salon. We like to call YouthLock our fountain of youth for all your color clients that want to turn back time. Keep an eye on our education activities and do not hesitate to get in touch with us. We would love to help you out.